activated heaven to fight on their behalf. Hallelujah. He activated heaven to cause confusion in the camp of the enemy. And their praise gave them victory. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Another attribute of the sound of victory is shout. I say shout is a wall breaker. Hallelujah. Shout is a wall breaker. We all know the story of Joshua and the